Buongiorno everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Csenge, your personal stylist from Milan, and you're watching The Varied Milano. In today's video I decided to talk about suitcase organization because yes, we are going for holidays and we have limited space in our suitcases. I've got Nancy with me, she's my dear colleague and she is a professionalist if it comes to suitcase organization. So if you're interested how she resolves the issue of filled up suitcases, just keep on watching. No, Nancy, not in Luca's backpack. In your suitcase. You have to pack everything in your suitcase. Great, let's get started. Alright, let's get into this video and let's get things serious. So the first thing I would like to suggest to you is definitely try to minimize your clothes and maximize the possibility of matching them together. So what you will see right now is totally creating a capsule wardrobe for my holiday. Yes, I'm not crazy. Believe me or not, this is something that works so good. Just to think about that in advance and match everything together. I'm going to represent you everything on the base of the t-shirt. So first I decided the t-shirt and then I tried to match them with trousers I want to take with myself. Certainly you will have to also think about where you're going, what kind of situations you will be facing, dinners, beach, or whatever, sightseeing, and cold weather, hot weather, anything like that. I'm just going to move to this side of the video so you can see the actual outfit. I first of all am wearing the top I chose even for the holiday. This is just so simple, you can match it with anything, skirts, trousers, or really anything. And the most important part is to match even with a jacket. The aim is going to be to find one jacket that fits and matches with every single outfit. I chose this one. This is actually not that simple jacket, but I just love it and it fits really good to everything, so I thought that that would be a great option. You will see that I'm trying to get different t-shirts, shirts, off-shoulder shirts, band t-shirt, and even the skirts are going to be different and even the trousers are going to be different, not just by its functionality but even for the style. So that means, don't misunderstand me, no worries if you're different, I think it's totally fine. I'm that crazy to have this, like if I could I would wear a different outfit in every single hour, but if you are going for a dinner I would not wear the same thing as I'm wearing for sightseeing, for example. So yeah, you will see different styles and functionalities and it is on purpose. Also, if I can suggest you one more thing, I would definitely recommend you to bring light stuff. It definitely depends on where you go and what the weather is gonna be in that certain place. But if you are considering to have a holiday around like the seaside, try to pick the lightest things you can. You will see a couple of dresses here and these are all super light dresses. That means that it really doesn't occupy much space in my suitcase. Once you have your clothes together, it's time to get the accessories. Yes. So the next step is just to find one bag that matches every single outfit and get one jacket that matches with every single outfit. That's the most important part, because if you choose a bag that doesn't really look good in your, I don't know which kind of outfit, you're not gonna wear it, right? So you are going to realize once you're there that it doesn't really look good. So that's why we have to think about that earlier. Regarding to earrings, necklaces and jewelry, I recommend you to get one pair of stationary earrings or two if you like appearing, and one simple, and always try to find this kind of balance, because in this case if an outfit is really, you know, like flamboyant, we would not like to exaggerate and put like huge earrings on, I suppose. But it's your style, so you decide. Just make your life easier and just choose one simple and choose one stationery so that you can just change it up on your mood. When it comes to shoes, I know it occupies a lot of space, but I would suggest you to get a simple one and get a more elegant one. I would never bring high heels if I have like a tiny suitcase, because you know, high heels are not really comfortable, and after one day you will just say, I'm not gonna wear it again. So I really recommend you a pair of shoes like this that is really comfortable, and you know, it appears it's just a bit more feminine. And once we are ready with everything, have a small collection of tiny things, okay? Tiny hairbrush, tiny shower gel, and tiny everything, so it doesn't really occupy so much space. If you're traveling together with someone, that may differ. So once you have it, to get one pair of flip-flops, certainly that is really important if somebody's going for a holiday, if you're staying in a hotel, you know, nobody wants to take showers with bare feet there, because you never know what you get there. The next step we want to do is to create small rolls of our clothes. And yes, not folding them, but making rolls. Believe me or not, you will save so much space in your suitcase that everything I represented you in this video is gonna fit in. Yeah, before packing everything, just remember that you are gonna travel in something. So grab the biggest things that occupy the most space in your suitcase and get them on for the travel day. And that's it, we have our suitcase. You just have to close the zipper and we are done. Thanks, Nancy, bye. You will be so grateful for that 1 hour you spent with creating this capsule collection. You cannot believe. Yeah, so here we are. I hope I could inspire you with this video. I hope you enjoy these outfits and that your suitcase is going to be as perfect as Nancy's one. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell button in order to get the notifications from me. I upload every Fridays and sometimes Sundays, but only if I feel like it. Thank you so much for watching and see you next time. Ciao!